Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm on my way to Sequoia National Park. I will be camping there for the night. It's about a 4-hour drive from where I'm from. I should be arriving there around 4:05 is what my GPS is telling me. What I plan on doing there is just go to the meadow that they have, just walk around for a little bit, go check out their sequoia trees because I've never really been in front of one. So yeah, I mean, once I get there, I'll unpack all the food and put it inside a little storage container that they have for us there. I do plan on cooking breakfast. Dinner, I took sandwich, so that's pretty much all we're gonna have for dinner. But I will be cooking some breakfast. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Have a good day. Hey, what's up everybody? So just a quick update. I have arrived to my campsite here in Sequoia. It is the Kings Canyon, Lodgepole Kings Canyon, where I'm staying. Yeah, let me show you guys real quick how the campsite looks. So this is just a little parking area. And over here you have your storage for food right there, and then you have a little fire pit, some little lunch tables. Yeah, you're just out in the open. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go settle in. After that, I'm gonna go to the little market that they have, and I'm gonna buy some water and just something to drink as well. and then after that, I'm gonna go down to Sherman Way, I believe, where they have the big Sequoia tree, and just check that out. Come back, relax, watch a movie, hang out, read a book. Until then. Hey, what's up everybody? So if you made it this far in the video, I just want to talk to you guys real quick about what happened the day that I went camping. So when I first went, I know in the video I said that I was gonna go to the red oak trees or the Sherman oak trees. Unfortunately, after I came back from the little restaurant that they have up the road, there was a group of four, individuals around mid 20s. They were actually at my campsite, and when I approached them to tell them that I actually had reserved this place, they told me that their friend reserved it as well. Clearly, there was a mix-up because I had proof that I reserved it for the night. So they asked me politely if they could wait 10 minutes for their friend to arrive. So of course, I let them wait. I picked up my book, I started reading, and before I know it, about an hour went by. So their friend arrived about an hour later. Uh, they explained to me that they got it mixed up with the numbers. They actually reserved spots 15 and 14 instead of 13. So it was a misunderstanding on their half, and it was okay. By the time we cleared that up, it was already getting dark, and I didn't want to go out and go on a little hike or anything like that because there are bears in Sequoia. Another thing is, on my previous video, the ones that I put up the modification, I wanted to clear it up. Um, the video actually, the picture that it shows on the video, that is on my car. I accidentally put it as the cover, and I didn't know how to go back and remove it other than deleting the whole thing and starting the video all over. So I didn't want to go through all that hassle. So I want to apologize right now and let you guys know that I will show you guys what my car looks like, and not just let you guys think that whatever's on that cover is how my car looks like. So yeah, I apologize for that, but please like and subscribe my videos. I'd really appreciate it, and it would really help my channel grow. Have a good day.